These are sharp and they're hard, and if you get hit with one of these, I'm going to end up in the hospital. This is the real danger that we're faced with, and these are the kinds of things that can easily end up in the classroom, because if I could print it very quickly in my house, so can a child, and we're finding that children are bringing these into classrooms. So this is something that is new, and it is something that schools have to pay attention to, because the technology is here, the kids are using it, and this is coming.
Are 3D printed weapons a toy, or are they a weapon? The main thing is that kids are printing these at home, and you might not know, I didn't know, these are very sharp. And in the case of Arizona schools, it's a discussion that needs to be had.
I don't think parents know about this. I don't think teachers know about it, and I don't think the schools are prepared.
If you go on TikTok or on YouTube Shorts, you'll see kids testing out, can I stab? Can I punch? Can I pierce? And I think it's a question that schools should also be thinking about. What policies are you going to have in place to educate people about them?
Safety threats are always emerging, and right now in our classrooms there is a new threat. We have to know this is real, it's happening now, and we have to educate ourselves and proactively ask what our schools are doing about it.